Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, we're going to be doing something a little different. I'm using a hand mannequin, and this is the set that I'm going to be doing to kick off my first Pisces season set. My birthday is tomorrow, so I won't be dropping anything probably the next 2 days, but definitely like by March 10th I will be dropping another video. So right now I'm just gluing on my tips. I'm using base coat to adhere them because for some reason the nail glue just was not working for me. So yeah, I just went ahead and did what I normally do and went in with that base coat to adhere them with my mini UV lamp. And then I'm just going to go ahead and make sure I shape these up. But if you have not already, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn that bell on so you won't miss the next time I post a new video. If you are new, hey boo, welcome to the channel. And please like this video and share it to someone who might like it. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. I am almost to 3,100 subscribers, so let's go ahead and run that up. I can't wait to get to my 5K subscribers so that I can do a giveaway. So let's go ahead and stay consistent. I will be on my butt, but y'all be on my butt in the comments too. If I'm not posting quick enough for you, just let me know. Shoot me a message on Instagram or comment underneath my videos like, Shay, where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? And I will make sure that I'm dropping videos. My Shein order is coming. I believe it'll be here by next week. So hopefully I will be able to do like a unboxing, a Shein nail haul or whatever. So yeah. Right now in the video, as I'm talking, what I'm doing right now, I'm just filing the shine off my nails. Well, I haven't named my hand yet. It's gonna be named. I'm gonna name her. Let me know what you guys think I should name her in the comments. But yeah, I'm just filing down, cleaning off the shine off of her nails, and then I'm just gonna clip them down a little bit. I think I did that part off camera. So I did clip them off camera like I said, but I didn't clip them down too low. I did just only clip off the numbers, like where the numbers are. So now I'm just putting base coat, one layer of base coat on all the nails, and then I'm flash curing as I go, just because these tips do not stay in. And this hand is like, this is the first time I ever used it, so it's kind of like, it's creeping me out because I never did anybody else's hands before. So me using a mannequin hand is just like, oh my god, like what is this? So yeah, now I am just gonna go in with, I think I'm just using regular like foil glue. Yeah, that's foil glue. I was gonna use like top coat or something, but I just went in with foil glue, and I'm just gonna go ahead and, before curing that, lay the foil glitter that I have on there with a brush, and then I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. Black lions. Black lions. So I am just doing this design for my pinky and my index finger. After curing that, I am just going in on my ring finger, well, not on my ring finger, on the mannequin hand's ring finger, and putting, I'm using Nude from Rosalind. I never used this color before, and I actually like it, so I think I might redo my nails and use this nude instead of baby pink. But I am just putting an even layer onto that nail, and then I'm going to go ahead and cure it. I am using rubbing alcohol as my slip solution today. Um, it's growing on me. I still kind of like to use base coat, but base coat keeps the nail sticky versus when I use alcohol, it doesn't keep it as sticky. It's easier for me to wipe all that sticky tacky layer off. So yeah, I kind of like the alcohol, and it makes it a little smoother depending on what color I use. And by the way, I am going to go ahead and go in and encapsulate those glitter nails, and I do cure in between each nail, and I am curing for 60 seconds each nail. So next I'm just putting that foil glue onto the nail, and then I'm going to cure that in the lamp for about 30 seconds. And then I'm going to grab a little art brush, and then I'm going to use these pigment colors that I have. One of them is called Silk Blue, and I think the other one is like a turquoise color. I'm going in with the turquoise first, and I'm just patting it onto that sticky layer, and then I'm going to ombre it out with the Silk Blue. So next I'm just encapsulating this nail, and then I'm going to go ahead and go in and encapsulate the other two nails with the glitter. I am using rubbing alcohol just because I don't need these nails to be super duper clear. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys watch this application process. Again, if you guys haven't already, please don't forget to like this video so it can push my video out into the algorithm.
Black Lions. Black Lions.
I did go ahead and finish encapsulating, and I did go in with a full cure in the big lamp off camera, and now I'm going back in with that nude onto my thumbnail. My thumbnail and my ring nail are going to be French tips, so I'm using that nude as my base. So I did go ahead, file, and shape off camera. Now that I have this mannequin hand, I think I am going to do a filing and shaping video for you guys so that you guys can see how I get my shape. I think I want to do one for each nail shape, so like almond, stiletto, blah blah blah. I want to do a tutorial for all of them, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. Hopefully I could do it on this mannequin hand because these nails do not stay in unless I keep pushing them in, and sometimes I take them out to file them. I did have to take a few of them out to file them and get them to my liking, but yeah, now I'm just going in with some top coat. And next I am just going to go ahead and do my French tip. I did put the top coat on first and cured that in the lamp for 60 seconds. I just wanted to make sure that if I made any mistakes, it was going to be easy for me to wipe them off. And now I'm just going to go ahead and use this non-sticky gel. It's like a nail extension gel, but I'm using it as a little design. I don't know what I was trying to do, you guys. This was my first time using it, so I kind of just winged it, but I do have some ideas for what I want to do with this gel. So I did have to go ahead and put some top coat on first, so you're gonna see me do that, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and lay those little gel things that I make. I'm gonna lay them down to where I want them to be, and then I'm gonna cure that in a lamp, and that's gonna make this gel hard, and then it's gonna stay since you put the top coat underneath it. And while there's still a sticky layer on the little design that I made, I'm just going to go ahead and go in with some gold pigment powder and a brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and dab that gold onto the little design that I made. So after that, now I'm just adding a little dot of this to go ahead and put my little Pisces sign on there so it can stay in place. These signs are a little too like flat, so just putting top coat on it wouldn't have worked, and I couldn't find my my rhinestone glue, so yeah, I'm using that little putty, and I'm gonna go ahead and cure that in the lamp for about 30 seconds. I did put top coat onto the nail first before adding that little dot. And off camera, I did just go ahead and finish putting the top coat on all the nails. Well, just the thumbnail and then that middle finger, because I already put the top coat on the other nails. And here is how it's looking. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am going to give you guys more angles. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn that bell on so you won't miss the next time I post. If you are new, hey boo, welcome to the channel. And please share this video to someone who might like it. I hope you guys enjoyed these angles, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.